Welcome. Today, we're diving into how to allow camera access on Google Chrome for your PC, especially with the latest updates. This is essential for video calls, online meetings, and more. Let's get started with the steps. First, open your Chrome browser. If you don't have it open yet, go ahead and launch it. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the menu icon. Next, click on the 3 dots. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From here, you need to select Settings. This will take you to the Settings page where you can customize your Chrome experience. Now that you're in the settings, navigate to Privacy and Security on the left sidebar. Click on it to reveal more options related to your privacy settings. After that, find and click on Site Settings. This section controls what permissions websites can have while you browse. It's crucial for managing how your camera and microphone are accessed by different sites. Now, look for the camera option within Site Settings. Click on it to open up the Camera Permissions menu. Here, you'll see various settings regarding how sites interact with your camera. You will want to select Sites can ask to use your camera. This option ensures that whenever a website wants to access your camera, you'll receive a prompt asking for your permission. It's a great way to maintain control over your privacy while still allowing necessary access when needed. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully configured your Google Chrome browser to allow camera access while keeping your privacy intact. Now you're ready for video calls and online meetings without any hitches. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Happy browsing!